Hello everyone, I just wanted to do a quick blog. Some clients of mine that I've been looking to do a purchase with gave me a call this morning saying they wanted to hold off their search until the winter in hopes for cheaper property prices. I just wanted to touch on what I got back to them with and my thoughts on that. I understand it's very frustrating to be buying in a market where there's multiple offers going on, purchases over asking price going on, and all that stressful stuff. I'll be the first to admit going into those circumstances for you as a buyer is very stressful because you've got a lot of money on the line. But I do think it's got to be looked at as more as part of the game that we are in this point in the market. Coming out of the spring and into the summer months is the busiest time for real estate in the fiscal year. It starts very slow coming out of the winter. I guess busyness will kick off in the spring. As you'll see this year, as it kicked off in February and continued strong into the summer, starts to decrease activity-wise and listings-wise in the fall, and then again continues to soften into the winter. So my first point to them was exactly that. It is busy right now and there's lots going on. It's because there's a lack of good property in the downtown market right now to purchase, and that's why when they do come up, good properties and good buildings, they're going in multiple offers and for over asking. So if you are waiting into the winter hoping to get a cheaper price, you've also got to look at the downside of that, which is less products on the market. People know that this is the active and busy time when people purchase real estate, so they try and sell real estate in that time. There's a lot less buyers looking to purchase in the winter months, therefore a lot of people hold their listings off until the spring kicks off again to get those listings on to kick off the busy season of the year again to sell. The second thing I noted to them was in the last 2 weeks, fixed rate interest rates went up 60 basis points. So this is the first time in a long time that we've seen the interest rates actually start to climb. Now if they're waiting 5 months, realistically looking at the whole scheme, where the interest rate's going to be at that point, lower or higher? My opinion, higher. This is the start of we see now the bottom that we've just hit, just recently passed. Is that going to be the last bottom? I don't know, of course. I don't have a crystal ball, unfortunately, but we've seen those rates now start to climb, and I think we're going to see that trend going. So as opposed to waiting into the winter months and possibly having higher interest rates and less quality product on the market then to choose from in hopes you're going to get a cheaper price, I highly recommend to them that they deal with the interest rates, the cheaper interest rates that they've been locked into now, that they still have locked, and kind of play the game a little bit, and we can just be quick off the bat when the property comes on the market, get in, put an offer in, and hope for the best. So I just wanted to fill you guys in on what my thoughts to them was, and that's that. If you have any questions on any of that I just spoke to, please don't hesitate to contact me, 604-771-4606 or j@jmckinnis.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.